Hey, it's Eric from Headlight Revolution. I'm really excited today to have the brand new Dodge Ram XB LED headlight from Morimoto in-house. It's a rapid prototype. It's coming up next. All right, so we talked to Morimoto to get these in-house. Really, we're really excited about them. We wanted to do an unboxing to show everybody what they're going to be. So this is a rapid prototype, which means it's not going to be exactly the same, right? But what that means is that this is like kind of the beginning, right? This is the start. There's only 2 of these in existence. We've got the other one over there right now. The other guys have been playing with them, and all right, I'm just gonna get us unpacked here and get this puppy out. Obviously you can't see anything quite yet, but we're nicely packaged up there so we don't have any issues in shipping. But wait, there's more. There you have it. So this looks like the passenger side is what we've got here. So they went with the look of the new Rams, like the super high-end LED projectors on the 2019 Rams. So that's kind of what you're going to see here. You're going to see a low beam and a high beam projector. It's integrated LED everything. So we can see it's a smoked lens here. It's got a light smoke to it. You probably can't see it well because it's really light. But when you look at it from the side, you can see that it's smoked a little bit. We have the 2 LED projectors. It's a blacked out background, and it has nice chrome bezels around, and it looks like it's filled with butyl. So that means that if you want to do any kind of retrofit of it, it's just going to be super easy to pull apart and do that, because that's kind of what Morimoto is known for, is doing that sort of thing. So what else we've got here? We've got 2 DRLs on the top and bottom, and so those are 5000K OSRAM chip DRLs, and they come in 2 intensities. And then this middle one here, the bottom middle one is your turn signal. So it's a sequential turn signal. So it goes from side to side and then it blinks. And that's the amber, obviously. All right, and again, this is the rapid prototype. So this isn't even in production right now. You can get a pre-sale right now at headlightrevolution.com. But what they do is they get this in, they check it out, they test it out, make sure everything fits, make sure everything works. And then from there, they can give the go-ahead or say, hey, you need to change this and that. So we started off measuring the lux here at about 20 feet from the wall, and the reflector low beam came in at 310 lux. With a projector low beam was at 600 lux. And the Morimoto XB LED low beam was at 1550 lux. So that's 5 times more than the reflector and almost 3 times more than the projector low beams. Now for the high beams, we have the reflector that came in at 850 lux, the projector came in at 630 lux, and the Morimoto XB LED came in at 1740, which is more than twice as much on each one. So now remember, this was the rapid prototype, and we're expecting higher numbers when the production actually comes through. Again, check it out. It's headlightrevolution.com. This is the brand new 09 to 18 Dodge Ram XB headlight from Morimoto. If you want to see more stuff like this, be sure to like and subscribe, and check us out on Facebook as well.